Hi everyone. In this video, I the talk about like this the different video guys. The reality of why I'm scared means because of I am trying to something get for more than 3 years, but I can't still get it. I am putting so many effort for that. I am day and night. I am not sleep very well. I am sleep cycle is changed. So I don't know what is the reason behind that. Some people are like less affect. They are getting a job or something different. I am struggling the lot the past 3 years. I am working the day and night. I am not happy for that because if I'm happy to learn or something that different guys, but still I am not happy for that for something different. In my around, so many people are my friends. They are happy. They are enjoying. They go to outside or something different. But in my opinion, I am not enjoying the past 3 months in my college. I am putting so many effort for exams and subjects. I am putting so much effort and day and night and for getting a mark or scoring whatever it is. I put in the so many effort for that, but still I am not getting anything for the payoff. So many people are, so many my friends that are getting placed. I'm not still placed. Why I don't know. Like the simply reason in my past my schooling I'm not very good at, but it's okay. But I'm trying to now and how to say I am putting so many effort for that. In my school days, I am enjoying like something different. After that, I joined the college. I am putting so many effort for getting a more high scoring. The 10th after, I am not playing any games or something outside. I am not enjoying guys. After that, I go to something different. I realized yeah, we should the past needed the past were why I'm saying that means in my opinion I am putting under percentage of effort for me. I don't know what is the reason I done it or I did so I don't know. But I am trying the utmost in my capable because of some people are thinking I am not very good at I am not speaking with some of the friends or something like that. Why I am saying this, guys? Because of some people are saying, why are you are always silent? Why you are not going outside? If some people are there, some of the friends they are come to me ask, yeah, you should come to me outside some of the outing or something, guys. But I am not interested. I'm saying I am not interested. I have some work, so I'm not come to outside, but there are not understanding you every time you studying only. Why are you studying? They only ask me, but they don't think why I am studying that almost. Why I am not. They came to outside. Why I am not speaking. Some of the friends made the environment. They're not understanding for that. Some people are thinking, yeah, you were speaking. Is that good? Yeah, your friendship is nice. Some people are said, but the most of the thinking in my opinion, guys, I don't know what is the reason because I am putting the hundred percentage the more than, but I haven't achieved my the initial goal in my job or something different. I'm also putting so many effort. I'm still repeatedly why means I don't know. I'm putting so much of effort for that, so much of hard work for that. If I attend some of the interview, they are simply they're rejected for that reason. Simply reason. They are not given any explanation for why I am rejected for that interview. But I'm thinking a lot. Why I am rejected for that interview? Yeah, what I am wrong. I'm thinking a lot. Like these are the my affect upset guys. So, but I'm consistently for the learning everything because of I must speaking the English, improve my communication skills, taking the recorder like the documentary videos. So these are my upload videos. So if you like this video, so please support my channel and also any suggestions. So please let me in the comment section. I am waiting for those comments. So thanks for the watching. We gonna see next video.